Gardening in the Territory in September, it's starting to get to the end of the dry season, getting a bit warmer, getting a bit stickier, so it's a good time to get out into your garden and get ready for the wet season. So here's a few ideas on what to do in the garden in September in the Territory. So September's a good time to be getting your natives in, things like your melaleucas, your lily pillies, your casuarinas, your callistemons, all those things that will attract your local wildlife and birds and beneficial insects to your garden. My favourite's got to be the callistemon. Your bottle brushes, they grow just about everywhere and they just put on this beautiful display of flowers, bring the birds in, they're just perfect. Another good one to plant is your lagostromias, also called your crepe myrtles. They come in a great range of colours, they're disease resistant, incredibly hardy for the Territory. There's also your hibiscus and your bougainvilleas, great little plants to bring a bit of colour to your garden. So if you're not sure, pop into one of our stores and have a chat with our garden experts and we'll help you make the right choice for your garden. So in terms of edibles, in Darwin, you'd be looking at putting in some sweet potatoes, water spinach. Down Alice Way, you'll be getting your seed potatoes in and your cauliflowers. So in September, it's all about the herbs. So you can pick basil, parsley and coriander. So there's plenty to do in the garden in the Territory in September. So give your veggies a feed with organic fertiliser. That way, they will get the boost they need for the months ahead. And as with all feeding, just make sure you don't do it on a super hot day and water in effectively afterwards. Monitor the watering needs of your plants, especially pots, as they can dry out quickly. And it's time to hang out the fruit fly baits to keep these pests at bay. You want to control both female and male fruit flies. So there you have it. There's plenty to do in the garden in September. And don't forget, if you've got any questions, come see one of your garden experts down at your local Bunnings. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to return to the Bunnings website.